It's a snow day. Boop, boop, boop.
It's officially a snow day. The Steph is not at school. It's been 2 years since we had a last snow day. So, I don't know if these pants are gonna fit me. Going to play in the snow. That's exciting. I'm excited for that because God knows we need to leave this house. This doesn't fit anymore. Anyway, yes. So, this is my snow coat. Oh my gosh. Oh. I need a hat. Okay. Oh my gosh. These are my gloves. Oh my gosh. Okay, here. Hi. There's my spot. These are my shoes. I'm gonna put them on when I get downstairs.